mini band complex. Keep that band on just above the knees the entire time as we flow through this 5-minute sequence. I'm using something new called the hip halo. Any mini band will work. Both options at thegardenofgains.com. And this is on, by the way, you can do this entire workout without the mini band. The mini band is just going to allow you to help get more lateral hip activation, gives you that lateral vector of resistance you can't get without the mini band. Also helps kind of autocorrect form and fine-tune technique in a lot of ways. So if you can use it, it's portable. I love it. So built-in warm-up as always. We're going to start Glute Bridge ISO. Again, we're going to put it above the knees. I'm going to bridge up, crunch the abs, kind of really shift all the weight onto my heels and upper back. But while I'm up here, I'm going to push actively outwards against that band. Really help open up those hip abductors and rotators, lock and good core positioning. We go right from there into a Glute-Ham Walkout, keeping tension out against that band. So good for the glutes and hamstrings. This is one of my favorite ways to smoke the hammies when I don't have access to tools other than my body weight or a simple band. From there we go linear bear crawl. Okay, so this is gonna get more hip flexor activation on this. I'm gonna go right here, and don't overthink it. It is opposite arm legs. You can do this in place if needed. I can also go forwards and then backwards. You're not only getting resistance linearly, but also kind of keeps some tension out against the band to really work those hips. When I go lateral bear crawl, which is next, now I've got resistance to work against as I move side to side. A couple steps each way. Think about, in all these bear crawl positions, balancing a glass of water on your back, or a nice, good, fresh, hopping, piping hot pot of fries, all right? Lock that in. From there, we go in and out squats. So you're gonna get into as low of a comfortable kind of athletic semi-squat position. Hold that position, feet start closer, hands here, really cue the chest, externally rotate the shoulders, but without coming up and down. We're not bouncing down, you're locking in kind of isodynamically. You're gonna go in and out and just smoke those thighs, but also as you shoot the feet out, lateral hips, I mean, your ass won't be the same after this workout in a good way. All right, next, we go rotational bear crawl. You're gonna go 30 seconds clockwise, 30 seconds counterclockwise, a minute total in that movement. I'm gonna get locked in and just kind of, again, zero displacement, I'm just circling, okay? Doesn't matter whether you go clockwise or counterclockwise first, but I'm gonna be just going like that, okay? Just keep moving, and then once that time period is up, you go back the other way. So many bear crawls, but man, it is so good for your body. Trust and believe in that one. Skater jumps, okay? This is made easier with a back toe touch, a little more stability and support. You're swiping the arms across the body, landing with bends in ankles, knees, hips. Make it harder by lifting the leg. And again, don't just push off that down leg, push out hard with that leg here to really work the lateral hips. All right, final 2 moves. ISO push-up jacks, either holding top, easier, bottom, harder. So I'm gonna lock in, good core positioning, in and out, smoking abs and hips, shoulders. More challenging, get down here, vertical forearms, hold that position as I jack in and out. Sorry. Final move, let's melt the face. Here we go. So pulsing squat jumps. You're gonna pulse for a couple reps at the bottom, jump up, land soft, pulse again, keep repeating that pattern. So start at the bottom, get a good reach, spread the hips, pulse, 2, 3, jump, pulse, 2, 3, jump, pulse, 2, 3, jump, okay? Keep rocking it out. That's the workout. Mini band, major problems. Peace.